So what volume of a solution of potassium hydroxide will exactly neutralize 20 mils of hydrochloric acid? All right, so we've got potassium hydroxide reacting with hydrochloric acid, and we're going to have a salt being formed and water. So we just check that's balanced, which it is, and that's all good. So it's asking what volume of potassium hydroxide do I need to completely neutralize my HCl? Okay, so how much of this do I need to react with all of my HCl? Now we can see there's a 1-to-1 ratio here. So however moles of HCl I have, to completely neutralize that amount of mole of HCl, I need equal amount of mole of KOH, potassium hydroxide. So the question really is how many mole will react with HCl, and where we can get that information is from our data that we know about HCl, because we know its volume and we know its concentration, and that means that we can calculate the amount of mole of HCl which is present in this experiment, in this reaction. So we've got our volume here, and we express that in litres, and we've got our concentration here, so we can plug those two values into this equation here to find out my moles. So 0.3 times 0.02 is going to give me 0.006. Okay, so we can see it's a 1-to-1 ratio, so the amount of potassium hydroxide that will completely react with the HCl is going to be equal numbers. Okay, it's kind of like saying to use up all my my boards, how many wheels will I need? So if I've got 6 boards, how many wheels will I need? Well, it's a 2-to-1 ratio, so I'm going to need 12 wheels. Okay, or a 1-to-1 ratio, say I've got 10 saucepans, how many lids do I need to use up all my saucepans? Well, 1-to-1 ratio, I need 10 lids as well. So I need 10 mole, well, I need 0.006 mole of potassium hydroxide to completely neutralize my HCl. But the question's asking me what volume of KOH. Okay, so I know I've got this many mole. So going back to our equation, moles equals concentration times volume. So now I know the moles of potassium hydroxide that I have. I know the concentration that I have. I just want to know the volume. So I can rearrange this equation, okay, to look like this. So volume equals moles divided by concentration. So volume is going to equal 0.006 divided by my concentration, which is 0.2. So 0.006 divided by 0.2 is 0.03 litres, okay, or this is 30 mils. So that's my answer to question 2.